We are not inside the room. Aye, Captain. We are creative, innovative. Aye, Captain. We follow the customer's needs. Aye, Captain. We are Krusty Krab.
Number 1, stay smart. Think before you act, especially when it comes to decision making and when sharing private information.
Number 2, because of scams. Scammers use traits like pressure, emotional stories, and fake offers. Number 3.
Be aware. Recognize the sign of the scam scammer. Often use high pressure tactics, makes games, or emotional manipulation to trick you. Always question answer. Number 4. Guard your personal and financial details. Avoid sharing passwords, credit card numbers, or personal data through email, text, or social media. Scammer often pose as legitimate companies or people you know to trick you into giving them this information.
Ask question. Di naman masamang magtanong. Legitimate business or people want my additional information. Scammers rush you into making decisions.
Number 1, check for red flags. Look out for grammar mistaken for email. Addresses or replies for scammer often use like relation of trusted name, like Israel company name, to trick you.
In conclusion, we all still need spreading the awareness to how to avoid scams. Because social media is broad nationwide and other people will see it. Thank you.
Thank you.
That's all.